Google has once again poked fun at Apple in its latest Best Phones Forever video. The new clip playfully highlights how many of the features introduced in iOS 26 have been available on Pixel phones for years. Google cleverly showcases how Apple presents these older features as exciting new innovations. Here, have a look.
Okay, Pixel. So remember last time we talked about how people think I'm doing the same thing as you, but it's all just like a crazy coincidence?
Totally crazy.
Well, what's even crazier is I just announced all these new features and people think I'm doing it again.
No way.
So like, I announced live translation for text messages, right?
And it turned out I had that 4 years ago?
Yeah, crazy coincidence.
What?
And I announced hold assist.
And it turned out I had that 5 years ago?
Yeah, so wild. And hear this, I announced call screening.
And it turned out I had that 7 years ago?
Yeah, I mean, what are the chances? So crazy.
So crazy.
Unbelievable.
Totally unbelievable.
So, what are you working on for Pixel 10? Just like, out of curiosity.
Many users feel that Apple should have brought these features years ago, especially since brands like Google and Samsung had already introduced them long back. It's surprising to see Apple finally adding them now and marketing them as something entirely new. What do you think? Is Apple a bit too late with these updates? Let us know in the comments. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Furthermore, in another video, Google reminds everyone that even simple features like widgets and Magic Eraser have been available on Pixel phones for a long time, while it took Apple years to bring them to iPhones. Here, have a look.
Friend iPhone.
Good day.
There are a lot of rumors circulating about iPhone's upcoming redesign.
It's crazy. Can you imagine me doing the same thing you did first, years later?
Sounds pretty far-fetched.
I mean, there was that one time where you launched Night Sight, and then a year later I got Night Mode.
Total coincidence.
And that one time where you launched Magic Eraser, and then 3 years later I got Cleanup.
Oh yeah, I think I remember that.
And that one time when I got widgets, but you'd already had widgets for
Since my first version 9 years ago?
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, we want to remind everyone that these rumors are just rumors. Oh, come on.
What?
We also have an interesting leak about the Nothing Phone 3 coming up, so make sure to stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. And tell us in the comments, which phones do you prefer, Google or Apple? With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.